Let's go get ready for the gym.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out.
Good morning. Let's go get ready for the gym. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm doing great and fantastic. I'm ready and I'm actually going for Pilates class. I'm dressed up and I'm just waiting for my boss. I think we usually start the vlogs like this on Tuesdays, Pilates class, which is great really. Today I'm actually going to take down these braids and then probably relax today. I have to, because tomorrow morning I also have to be at the gym, so anything that's going to make me not go, I'm trying to avoid it. So today is just going to be all hair, take down these braids and relax, and then tomorrow go to the gym and relax and probably make my brother's hair because I don't have another free day till Sunday. So I'm going to try to make the most out of all the free time that I have and get what I need to get done quickly. So I'm going to check my bus now because I don't want to miss that bus. I'm usually the first comers in the class, but now I've joined the late comers list. I think I'm going to be like 3 minutes late, but should be fine because sometimes she does wait like 3 to 5 minutes for people if they're running late because of traffic. So hopefully that's the case and I don't miss much of the class. I'll see you guys at the gym. Change of plans. I'm going to work. Yeah, I got called in while I was at the gym. Luckily my Pilates class was over and I was on the treadmill, so now I'm just getting ready to go to work. I don't even have the time to do my edges today. I'm just so tired and I just want to get this over and done with really. So see you guys later. So today I'm going to officially start my spring cleaning, and I know you can see this, but I'm pretty sure you can see all around me. It's really bad. I've let it get bad quickly, or rather slowly actually, because it's just a build-up of not cleaning for way too long. And I'm even embarrassed to tell you guys how long ago I've cleaned my room. I've not been consistent at all, but you know, I'm tired of living like this, so I'm going to make a change today. Hopefully a big change. I know it's not going to be drastic, but I have a few plans for today. I'm going to declutter my dresser and my underbed storage because I have a lot of stuff that I think I can let go of at this point. Some like trousers that I let shrink in the wash, and just some older clothing that I can probably let go. I think I'm going to take the camera off the tripod so I can actually show you guys what my plan of action is for today. One sec. So this is my dresser situation. Hi. And you can see my mirror is very dirty. This is my top dresser, and if I open this, this is too full to shut. Or it's not, and then when I try to shut it off camera, it doesn't shut. And then I have clothes here and just random socks everywhere. A lot of wires. My bed, obviously. Book situation hasn't gotten bad. I've done a pretty good job maintaining that. It's not really that bad, but I'm still going to clean it off because it's like really dusty. Over here it's like really full, so I think I'm going to start with this and then move on to this dresser. Because if you guys remember, I used to have my makeup here, my makeup palette there, but I've taken it all out, so it's just really disorganized, but there's a lot of space in there. I just need to organize it. Even here is like really bad and terrible. So I'm going to start and definitely doing this portion today because I need to film makeup videos and I can't have this in the background on my videos, so definitely going to find a solution for that. So without wasting much time yapping, I'm going to get into the cleaning process. I already have a bin bag under my sheets somewhere, so let me set you up and start decluttering.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like
So my technique for this under bed storage is not efficient, but it's what I need for now. I'm going to fold them properly when I have the time, but for now I'm just putting them so I can see what I want and what I don't want. So those ones are the don't want pile and they're going to go into my bin bag.
What this is, 'cause I've been feeling all this lately, kinda wishing that a heart just didn't exist. I've been picking up the pieces of the things that you do. I'm always second guessing what could be your next move. Yeah, I'm just trying to see it from your point of view. Never told you that I need you 'cause I thought that you knew that I don't mind. Until my days with you can waste my time. If that's what you wanna do, oh I don't mind. If all that you say is not true, oh I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you. End all my days with you.
I thought I hit record, but I organized the next drawer up and I got rid of a lot of things. Well, not rid of, but I removed a lot of things from here that can actually go in my underbed storage, but I'm going to show you guys later. But for now, this is the worst of it all. The worst one. I'm sweating and I underestimated this clean. I'm so tired already. Let me show you what my bed is looking like though. This is what my bed is looking like. This is the keep pile. Hold on. That's the keep pile and that is the get rid of pile. Most of these things, like the trousers and the shorts, they're going to fit under my bed, and then the tops from here I'm going to take in, and I feel like I could make one of the drawer into my gym sportswear and everyday wear, because I want to have as little clothing as possible for homeware especially, and just get new loungewear, not now but maybe sometime down the summer period, and get rid of like my old clothing. So we're just going to see how that goes. I'm going to get rid of 80% and keep about like 3 shirts and 3 shorts in rotation. So anything that I see now I'm going to replace or get rid of. So that's it. So I'm going to make this side sportswear and this side everyday wear. So let's see what I can do with this space that I have. Quick one. I have a lot of tennis clothing, but I don't play tennis. Because it's a sport, I'm going to put it with my gym wear. And I have this little space for whatever fashion clothing that I have that can fit in the other ones or that don't belong in the other category. I even have a tennis dress, another tennis skirt, a tennis crop top. I've organized this in a system that's going to work for me in the long run. So just at this corner, I have the clothing that I wear at home on repeat during the week. And then over here is just sportswear, anything that has to do with sports. So I can easily find my stuff now, which is really good. So this is all my leggings. So back there is my jacket, my short tights here, and then I have t-shirts here, and then this is a tennis section, and I also have some tops for the gym here, which is really good. And then here I have like a bit of fancy clothing here that I could wear if I'm going out, but then I threw in a little mix of clothing that I could wear at home, especially on days when I'm filming my makeup videos. And that's it basically. I'm quickly going to put that stuff away under my bed and then put this into a bin bag, and then I'm going to fix this top and this place. I should have just organized this from the beginning, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to stuff everything into this place. I don't have that energy, so let me quickly do that. So to tell you how bad it is, this is the perfume I got when I traveled, and I haven't thrown the pack away, which is embarrassing. Hey Angel, why are you doing this to yourself? Oh my goodness.
See her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi, very random. I literally just got back from work. I'm talking. I entered the house like 2 minutes ago. Still have my headband on. I want to cut this braid. I really need to get them out of my hair. I'm so tired. I'm so sick and tired. So wish me luck. I have work on Monday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. I don't go to work. So hopefully I can finish it in time and relax my hair tomorrow. But I really need to get this hair like out. So I'm going to start cutting now and start taking it off. Wish me luck. As you can tell, I was very victorious. I finished taking out my braids at 12 a.m. this morning, 12:30-ish. And then I went to shower after a long day because I didn't rest when I came back from work. Like, I stepped into the house, changed my clothes, and then just got straight down into taking down my braids. I'm so happy about it. I have my neck back. There's no more weight. But also, I think I take souvenirs with each hairstyle that I do, and I have one. This fell out a couple of weeks ago, actually. I think 2 weeks ago, and I've just been like saving it. It's from the back of my hair, neck hair, so I'm expecting the fallout to be crazy. I lost a lot of hair just combing. I know that even from relaxing, it's going to be way more than I've already lost. Sorry about the background noise. I think like there's works going on around here. But this is my souvenir to say goodbye and remind me that I did this hair. I'm not going to keep it, obviously, but you get the point. And if you can see, my hair's like literally on it, so I did lose quite a bit of hair, but I'm still going to lose more from my relaxing process, but it doesn't bother me. I just want my hair to be very manageable. So yeah, let's go and get this relaxer. As you can see, I already parted it into 4. I've mixed my relaxer, so it's ready to go down. Let me go and struggle with this for the next hour or less, hopefully. Please. Yeah, see you guys later.